Hello! Welcome to a virtual world dedicated to the machining industry and CNC. This virtual center of learning, the EMCO Campus, places the future in your hands. Expand your horizons. Products manufactured by the machining industry are part of our everyday lives and drive our high-tech industries. All these components upon which we rely in our day-to-day modern lives have one thing in common. They have all been milled or turned. The world of industrial manufacturing is constantly evolving. EMCO customers know that, along with the leading machines for industrial training, the key success factors are the way in which knowledge is transferred and how training is provided. A dedicated range of machines for training purposes, unique interchangeable controls, software, and the EMCO Campus are available for training purposes. Hello, I'm Gerhard. I'm here to guide you through the EMCO Campus. Before we start, I recommend that you take a minute to familiarize yourself with the topic areas. The same topic areas are repeated across all courses. You can consult the glossary for explanations of a number of specialist terms, and the library provides an overview of the relevant content for further reading. And this is my co-worker, Monica.
Hello.
She'll be on hand to provide a number of useful tips, both in the library and during the courses themselves. Once you have completed a course, the EMCO Learnometer updates to reflect your progress. The EMCO Campus contains videos, animations, multiple choice tests, and of course, a large amount of useful information in both textual and graphical form. Our EMCO experts have created a range of easily understandable and interesting course materials. Benefit from over 25 years' experience with EMCO industrial training. Use our extensive background knowledge for your practice-oriented training. Discover machining. Discover CNC. Discover the EMCO Campus.